Hello children, welcome to today's session Nana. Children, today we are going to learn time. Okay. In yesterday's session we learned date, month, how days of the week and months of the year is. Now in today's session we are going to learn time, means in clock how you should tell the time. What is the time now, like that. Okay, you should know the time Nana, because by observing the watch you have to tell the time. We use clock to tell the time Nana. Why you use clock? What is this? What we call this? This is a clock. Why we use clock? We use clock to tell the time. So you have to learn how to tell the time. Okay, the clock shows the time in hours and minutes. Yes, hours and minutes. In our clock, usually in few clocks we will be having 2 hands only. In few clocks three hands will be there. What we call this? Shorthand. This is called shorthand. This is called long hand. And this is called the minutes hand. Okay, minutes hand. Sorry, seconds hand is second hand. This short hand is hours hand. Our hand. This is a minutes hand, Nana. Minutes hand. This is a seconds hand. Seconds. Now you understood? Short hand, long hand. This is a long hand. This is a short hand. This is a seconds hand. Few clocks doesn't have this hand, Nana. This moves very fast. Seconds. Okay. We'll count seconds by using this, but usually many clocks will have only these 2 hands only. These 2 are very important, Nana. Forget about this now. Okay, forget about this. Now short hand tells us hour and long hand tells us minutes. Okay, now you understand. Now this clock is showing what's the time, Nana. Now short hand is on 3 and long hand is on 12. 3. How? I'll explain you. Okay, usually if you take the clock, we'll start from here. We'll write 0 0. We'll start from here. If the minute hand is moves from 12 to 1, we'll count that 5 minutes. Okay, 5 skip counting, Nana. You have to learn the 5 table. 5 skip counting. Okay, from here to here 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 5 skip counting. Okay, 45, 50, 55. Here we'll don't write 60 here, Nana. We'll don't write 60 here, because here if the hand is here, then what we call, suppose here 3. Now the time is showing the short hand is on 3 and the long hand is on 12. Now 3 o'clock means we call this o'clock. Okay, 3 o'clock. Okay, now this is one way, Nana. If the time is now, how you'll write this now? 3 o'clock. CLOCK, clock. Another way, now the hand is on 3. Short hand indicates the hour. Now 3. Now colon. The colon separates. This colon separates the hours and minutes. This colon separates hours and minutes. Separates the hours and minutes, Nana. Okay, hours and minutes. Okay, 3. Now 3, 2 zeros. should keep. Okay, then when you are writing this here also we should keep 0. Then you can understand like this. Okay, because here 0 5 is a single digit number na. Yes. Okay, 3 o'clock. Okay, this is one way of writing. This is one another. What we while reading we read 3 o'clock other ways, but while writing we can write either way. Okay, 3 o'clock or 3. Now you understood, Nana? This shorthand indicates hour's hand. Long hand indicates the minute's hand. Okay, minute's hand. Yes, shorthand, long hand. You have to remember these two, Nana. These two are very important. Okay. This is a second hand. Second hands, Nana. Some clocks have this hand that moves very fast. This is called the second hand. Okay. Okay, Nana. Now, when the clock moves, the minute hands moves from year to year, 12 to 15. 12 to 15, then we call quarter past 3. Quarter past 3 we call. Okay. Then the minutes hands moves from 12 to 6, half past 3. Past 3 we call. Okay. How? Half past means 30 minutes. Quarter past means 15 minutes. We can calculate this. How we'll get 15, Nana? Okay. From here to here, one time. From here, if we count 1 5, 2 5, 3 5 means 3 times 5 5. 5 5 skip counting is there, na? 3 5 are 15. If the clock moves from 12 to 30, how many times 5 skips counting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 5 means 30. Then the time shows. What's the time shows now? 12 to 6. Half past 3. Yes, half past 3. Yes, of the face. Okay, quarter face. Okay. Now we'll do another example, Nana. Now, this is a shorthand. Shorthand is a 9. Long hand as a 12. This is an hour hand. This is a minutes hand. Now what is the time now? What is the time now? 9 o'clock. I told you, na, 0 0. Here we don't write 60 here, na. Zeros. 2 zeros means o'clock. I told, na, means 3 o'clock. 9 o'clock. Okay, 9 o'clock. What is the time now? 9 o'clock. Or 9 colons 20. Colon separates the hours and minutes. I explained you here, na. Colon separates the hours and. Okay. Now next. Move on to next. Now we'll do is minute, hours hand. This shorthand is hours hand. Nana, remember. First we have to write the shorthand. We have to see in the clock where is the shorthand. Then after only you see long hand. Okay. Then after you see long hand. Now what is the time now? What is the time now? The short hand is at 8. Long hand is at 12. Now 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. Or 8 colon 2 zeros means 8 o'clock. Okay. This will do now. Now short hand is at 4. Long hand is at 2. Means this is hours hand. This is minutes hand. Now see what is the time now? 4. Now if you look here, you if it is at 1, 5 visits to 10 means 4:10. 4:10. It's what is the time now? 4:10. How you will write? 4:10 means 4:10. Yes, 4:10. What is the time now? 4:10. Or else 4 if it comes to your 4:15. Okay. Then one more example we'll see. If shorthand is on 7, long hand is on 11. Now tell me what is it. Now remember only one thing, Nana. When you are saying that time, first you see shorthand. Where is the shorthand? Shorthand is on 7. Now colons. This colon separates hours and minutes. Yes. Now see, where is the long hand? Long hand is on 11. Long hand is on 11 means 55. Means 7:55. 7:55. Or 5 minutes to 8 also we can say, Nana. That you can learn later. If at a time if you learn that, you will get confusion otherwise. Okay, now if the time, suppose, I'll explain you that also. Suppose here 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11. This is a long hand. This is a short hand. Now what is the time now? 8:15 or 8:15 or quarter past 8. Quarter past 8 we call. Quarter past 8. Okay. Now one more. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. Now short hand is an 8 and long hand is on 6. Now half past 8. Half past 8. Half past 8 we call, means 8:30. 8:30 we also call half past 8, means half of the clock finish, na? Half clock finish means half past, means this is a quarter part. From this quarter we finish, na? That's why quarter past 8, half past 8. Then one more, move on to here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now the short hand is on 8, long hand is on 9. This is a short hand, this is a long hand. Now what is the time now? 8:45. 8:45 or quarter to 9. Quarter to 9 also means quarter move. If the long hand moves quarter, then it will be 9. So quarter to 9. Quarter to 9 also we call. Quarter to 9 means quarter part move out. If it moves the long hand quarter, then it will be 9. So that's why we call quarter to 9. Yes, Nana? If the clock moves from year to year, how much it's quarter part or not? If we divide the clock into 4 parts, yes, the clock will be round. If we divide this clock into 4 parts, this is one part, this is one part, this is, we call this is a quarter part. This is half. This is half. This is a quarter, means from year to year, quarter past. From year to year, half past. Yes. If the time from year to year, quarter to. The clock moves from year to year, quarter to 9. That's why we call quarter to 9. Yes. you have to remember only one thing, Nana. First you have to check the shorthand. Then after you can see the longhand. First you have to write the shorthand. See and write where is the shorthand. See like this. Shorthand is on 9. Longhand is on 12. Means 12 means 9 o'clock. O'clock. 0 0 will write na 0 0. 0 0. Here I shown you na 0 0. Or else 9 o'clock. And one more thing, Nana, if the clock moves, take one round from year to year, means 1 hour, means 60 minutes. 60 minutes makes an hour. Yes, 60 minutes. It's called 1 hour. Yes, if the clock moves from 12 to, it starts from here and it takes one round means 1 hour. 60 minutes is 1 hour. Here one shorthand is there, Nana. It starts this second hand is there, na? Not shorthand. Second hand is there, na? If it takes one round means 60 seconds is equals to 1 minute. 60 seconds. 60 seconds means 1 minute. Yes, if this long hand takes one round, then we call that 60 minutes means 1 hour. If this second hand takes one round means 60 seconds means 1 minute. If this second hand moves from here to here, then it takes 1 minute means this long hand moves from here to here means again here 1 2 3 4 5 lines will be there, na? If this second hand takes one round, then this hand move from here to here 1 minute. It moves 1 minute. Okay? Yes. Usually we use the second hands for in any competitions, Nana. In a stopwatch usually they'll use second hands in running competition or like that. They are athletics use the second hands means the stopwatch is used to measure the time within which an athlete completes the run, Nana. Okay, so that there we use seconds usually. Okay. Then one easy method to remember the time is only first you have to see the shorthand. Where is the shorthand? So write down the shorthand time now. Okay. Suppose here I'll explain you. Twelve, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now shorthand is on 6, long hand is on 9. Okay, now how you will write? First write the shorthand time 6. Now separate the minutes. Separate with the minutes. Colon. Where is the long hand? 9. 9 means here 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So 6:45. What is the time now? 6:45. 6:45. You can tell like that. Okay. Now you understood. This is a simple and easy method to remember, Nana. First write down the shorthand, then colon, and then write down the write down the long hand means where is the long hand means like 5 skip counting I told you, na? Remember this. Okay children, hope you understood. Okay, tomorrow we'll do the exercises in your textbook. Okay children, take care. Bye.